Welcome to FundMyComic, and today I'm going to show you how to manage your updates on your campaign page. First thing is, once you're at the site, you're going to go up here to the upper right hand corner where your name and your picture is. You're going to click on that. You're going to see where it says My Dashboard. You're going to go to My Campaigns. Once you're in My Campaigns, you're going to go down to you're going to see a list of all the things that you have running currently on FundMyComic. What you're going to do is go right here. We're going to choose Out of Obscurity. It says Manage Updates. You're going to find this tab that says Manage Updates. You're going to click on that. Once you're here, you notice we don't have any updates yet. If we do, they'll show here in this section. You're going to say Add Update, and you're going to type here. We're going to say Almost There. So here you can drag pictures in, you can add videos, all kinds of things, anything you want. You can edit the HTML, it's great. Now you can make this public, all backers, or specific backers. Specific backers is very cool. So you can actually choose which backers you want. We're just going to go to all backers. So this is going to go to anybody that is a backer. You can choose backers by tiers and things that they've already backed and things like that. So that's pretty cool. So you can choose all of that. Goes right here. And then you're going to go save. Once you save it, post in here. And now you can edit, you can delete, you can publish. So I'm going to go ahead and publish that. Yes, do you want to publish this? Publish. Let's just do it. Let's do it, guys. You can unpublish, you can notify backers, so on and so forth, and edit. So you can do all of that from here. Go to My Campaigns. You can now view the campaign. And the updates are going to be on this tab right here. And they will all just stack up in this window. Right there. That's how you do it.